Quickfire tutorial time with me, Rob, from Edison 365. Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to assign resources to a schedule table. Now, why would you want to do this? Essentially, you want accountability within your project management. So you want a list of resources to be able to add to a specific task, and you want them, if they're human of course, to complete that task for you. So let's dive into the app and show you how this works. So we're on the home page. We're going to come to resources. Within resources, you can see the list of pre-configured and predefined resources. Back home, personal page, cards, and we're going to go into this project, which is automation solution. Now, everything you see here, a little bit of a humble brag, fully customizable within Edison 365. Your form does not need to work, operate, or act as we're about to see. This is just an example. So within the form, I'm going to come to plan. You can see a lot of tasks, a lot of people already assigned to tasks, but here's one that stands on its own, which is launch. We're going to click in this field here, which is resources. You can see from the drop down all the possible resources, including IT people, which is a generic resource, conference room, which is a named resource. Whatever you want can be a resource that you can assign to the task. Here, we're going to scroll down. I'm going to select this lovely person here. We're going to double click. Robert is going to be 50% assigned. We can click save, and it's as simple as that. Robert will now be notified to let him know that he's been assigned to a task for him to complete. And it really is that simple to assign resources to tasks and then rely on them to complete that work. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you again on the next one. Cheers.